What's going on, guys? Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to the leasing office because we got, yet again, another package for the build. But we plasti dipped the emblems a little while ago, so let's see how they're holding up real quick. I think they turned out so cool. It really transformed the look of the truck. Let's go to the back. Take a look at the back real quick. Oh yeah. It's a subtle difference that you wouldn't even notice. So, here's the front one more time. Like I said, you wouldn't even notice it unless I told you. But the blue just didn't even look right at all on a whole black truck. Like, this thing's all blacked out with chrome, so I wanted the black and chrome front grille decal there. And shoot, to get these off are extremely annoying. And on top of that, it's like $200 if you want to get replacements on the blackout package. So why not just go ahead and plasti dip it for $10 and do it yourself? Like, the mods I've done to this thing is crazy because I got everything so cheap. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make your truck look nice or your car look nice. So let's go to the leasing office and let's go see what package we got. Let's go inside the truck. And there it is. There's our package. So let's go see what's in here. New package. F150 LEDs. So we ordered they got a lot of stuff in here. Stand out, shine brighter. F150 LEDs. Okay, so you got a little keychain with it. And that's the receipt. And a little card. Okay. So, we got three things. These right here are going to be for the reverse lights. Not the reverse lights, license plate lights. Here is the cargo lights. And that is the brake light. Reverse cargo lights. Rear cargo lights. Okay, so this is the third brake light, and this is the cargo lights. And that it tells you right here, it kind of checks it off so that you're not confused, because let's say you order a ton of lights. So it checks it off right there of what it is. So we're going to go ahead and be installing the license plate light in this video. So let's go ahead, take these out, and let's go ahead and get them on the truck. Alright, so as you guys know, or you may not know, well, you go ahead and press the unlock button. These lights right here are halogen. We're going to go ahead and take those out and get some LEDs in right here. And the way to access that is going to be up under the truck. You can kind of see it. Where is it? Oh, the light's in my eyes. I can't even see. I'll turn this way. Up under the truck, you see right there. We're going to go ahead and pull that. Take the bulb out, the new bulb in. And yeah, it's super easy. I can go ahead and get my hand in there. And you gotta twist counterclockwise. Alright, so that one's out. And I literally shattered it trying to get it out. It's stuck in there. It's stupid. It's so hard to pull that thing out. But it's out. Hopefully there's no glass in there. Shattered on the floor. Well, let's go ahead and get this in the new one. Alright, so just got this one in. It is really bright. It looks yellow on camera, but I promise you it is white. That's the amber. And let's go ahead and put this back in. Oh. All right, okay. If it doesn't work the way you put it in, take it out, spin it, put it back in, and it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back up there into the slot, and I'm gonna turn clockwise to lock it. There it is, I just locked it. Turns clockwise, as you can see it's turned clockwise. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press this button. And there it is, and that is the halogen. That is a way brighter light. It's gonna look so bright at night, I cannot wait. So this is the difference. Let's go ahead and take this one out. It's gonna be a pain because it's probably gonna break on me again, but let's go ahead and do that right now. Cannot pull it out, have to use a flathead screwdriver. I do not recommend you use the flathead because it's gonna break and you could break a tab. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to get this out right now. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get a little one smaller than this. Well, that was a lot easier. So I was able to take this out without breaking it with a smaller flathead. And I just went on this side, and then I went on that side, and then that side, and that side, and just kind of slowly pried it open. Take your time because this is very, very hard to get out. Here's the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, and then I'm gonna turn the lights on, and if it lights up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. If it's not, like I said, if it's this way, doesn't turn on, switch it to that way, and it'll work. I don't see, it says positive and negative. I don't know what side positive and negative is on here because it doesn't say anything, so you just gotta try it out. So let's go ahead and do this positive side right there. And it's kind of hard to get in. It's kind of a pain. You gotta really push it in. It doesn't just slide in. So that's it. Boom. First try. All right. So let's go ahead under it and plug it back in. We took ahead and press the button here. They both turn on, and they are a nice diamond white color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a video at night to show you. So let's go ahead and fast forward to the nighttime. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like at nighttime. And these are the lights. Now the camera can't really pick it up, but let me tell you, these things are bright. Hold on. Bam, wow. That looks so cool. It actually matches perfectly with the light right here. And these are extremely bright. So from way back, like over here, it just like lights up the truck. It makes it look so much better than the halogen. It's super bright, even in the bed. Well, that's actually better for the cargo light, but for this right here, Jesus, like almost blinds you if you stand right here. But yeah, that's it right there, guys. Super easy install. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.